Alright, so now we're going to be showing how to specifically remove a corner cabinet panel. This is one of our newest cabinet colors. I believe it's the walnut brown. So in this case, they actually have screwed the corner pieces to the structure of the hot tub, so you will need to remove an extra screw or two other than the vertical strips that secure the cabinet panels in place. So in this case, I do have one securing screw on this edge of my corner. Move that. Also notice that I've got one on this side, which I can't get to right now. Make sure you set your screws aside so that you don't lose those. You will need those to put the panel back on. So as you can see, this is the back of our corner with LED panel. It's not really hardwired. All it is it's a rubber sheath over the small LED light, and that rubber sheath basically just fits over the lens that's installed in the back of the cabinet panel. So if you are replacing a damaged corner panel, you simply take the LED out of the backing on the panel, switch the panel over, bring your LED light back in and slide the rubber sheath over top. Then you are ready to place it back on the spot.